Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Uba Mariahom kharkrang nong aiktian ke BJP Meghalaya, ulaong ba utikna 6% ba ke BJP kan wan biang hakabor ha Assam. Ulaong ba Assam la sakhi ba shibuan karoi kapar kalawan ka jing senshar ke BJP hakini kisnam. Ulaong ba kipat ba kikwa ya karoi ka kiu, but kam don EA ban buri ba kumno ka Assam kalong hakini kishposnam balalaj ka ba kam juyo mat hakisan posnam baladam. Ulaong balay baka Assam benta kamdan kajing persya ya kabor senshar namar baki pat ba ki persya tanglada ka sorkar kamla bande bha. Henry ha Assam la sakhi baka ka baki la du'no ha kisan postnam balalaj benta kila job Biang ha kini kish postnam baka BJP ka senshar. Shu ulaong bah West Bengal ru ukermen baka BJP kan yo ya ka Jingjop. Ula pentik na bah usnam Arshah arpupra ke BJP ha Meghalaya kan yo shu tang uwei number Henry kan sayo yu number ba kham he Arshah. Ulaong ba ke BJP ka di ka sing ka ba sham na trei tang hakipor election. Henry ka sedang ban trei bet nadu ba ke election ka lakut ru. Bu jingkin mau ya ka jingkran jonga ka BJP kan sayo Arshah haki election ha usnam Arshah arpupra ula benrap.
Coming, it's winning hands down. 100% BJP is coming back in Assam. Because what do the people want? The people want development, and there's nothing to hide. I mean, the kind of development that Assam has experienced in the last 10 years have not been experienced in the last 50 years. So why should the people not? Why should there be any anti-incumbency? Anti-incumbency happens only when the government is unable to deliver. But in Assam, it has been proven. It has been proven by leaps and bounds. Whatever they have lost out in the last 50, 60 years, they have been able to, overcome in these last 10 years when the BJP had ruled the state. So 100% BJP is coming back to Assam.
What is the hope of the Bengal election?
Bengal, so we hope that BJP will come. And when you see the pollsters, a lot of pollsters have come up predicting that the BJP will be coming in Bengal.
So within less than 2 years, Meghalaya also will go to the third.
Yeah.
As always, we have seen, BJP still struggles to improve the team.
Meghalaya, you take my word, the tally will not be single digit anymore. In 2028, it will be a double digit. You mark my words. And you can come back to me after 28.
The preparations are going on.
Yeah, we have already started. You see, BJP is a political party which just does not work or function only during election time. They start the election work immediately after the elections is over. So we have been working for the last 3 years, and we will be working more in the next 2 years, or less than 2 years we have now. And to mark my words, BJP Meghalaya will have a double digit in the 28 elections. Thank you.